boxes of some Blizzard Legacy Collection. Let's see if we can get them some goodies. See what kind of goodies we can get out of the Blizzard. All right, box 1. Here we go, Max. Yes, now we know what to look for. That is correct. All right. Rexar. Khalil Thas we have. What is that? Is that like a Blizzard poster? That's cool.
It's pretty cool.
Little BlizzCon poster. That's cool. Sombra on the green. Narius. The silver or bronze? It is bronze. Sigma. Arefia. Oh, baby, you got puzzle piece. Got one of the little puzzle pieces there, Max. I don't think it's one of the like super shiny ones like we got last time. Top load it. Got it. We have a blue. We have Valeria Sanguinier.
What do you want top loaded? This one?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. I already did it, Max.
Valeria Sanguinar. Nice blue there. Top of that.
I'm going to top load the puzzle piece just so it doesn't come apart.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if you want these staying this way or
Rainer,
if you want to
Murky.
pop it out yourself.
What is this? We have a Murden Bronzebeard in like it's in the silver. It's like etched. It's like etched. Murden Bronzebeard on the etched. It feels a little weird. It's got like a little feel to it there. Okay, so they are above blue. Okay, copy that. Enduin, that is a Sleevey.
Is green above or below blue?
Green is below.
Okay. So
Tyrael.
I thought just double checking.
Another puzzle piece there. Sarah Kerrigan on the blue.
I heard yelling.
CJ Stroud out of 10 out of Obsidian.
Yeah.
CJ Stroud 1 of 10. And that was out of the international. We had an international basketball as well. Brandon Miller out of 10 and Vince Carter out of 10. Ooh! Ooh!
Sweet.
Let's go. Got Hanzo. Come on. Rip it. Rip it. Come on, let me rip it. Let me rip it. Let me rip it. Let me rip it. Rip away. Let's go. We got a gold rip card.
I'm surprised he's letting us rip it. Oh.
This is gonna be cool. All right. A little
All
gold.
right. That's so sweet.
A couple of mini cards in here. And a Recon. We have Astalor Bloodsworn. And the Sociologist. Sociologist. Militia. The rarest rip card. There we go. Put all these into a sleeve and then into a toppy.
How about use the little
That's right. Yep. There's a little mini
Is
sleeve.
Grajo up next?
Grajo is up next.
I'm gonna let Wake know.
All right.
Grajo is.
All right. And then when Wake comes in, I'll probably take my lunch then. All right. Good start. Yeah, this is the first box.
Put this in another sleeve and top load it, or just like?
Just throw that in the top load as it is.
All right.
And then this one, you can sleeve that as well.
All right.
Valeria. We have a patch. We have a patch. Protoss on the war banners. Protoss on the war banners from StarCraft.
That's cool.
It's pretty sweet.
Any cool Overwatch cards?
Nothing yet.
No cool Overwatch cards yet. Okay.
Nemsi Necrofizzle. That's Hearthstone. That's on the Spectral. Alright. I like StarCraft. I like StarCraft a lot, actually.
StarCraft is fun.
Brightwing,
Must construct additional pylons.
Deathwing. We have Terran Gorefiend. That is on the silver.
I can't tell what color this one is. Is this blue?
That is called the Spectral, which is higher than blue. Zergling on the green there.
Spectacles 1 per box. Isn't it?
And above blue.
These ones I don't.
That's a silver.
Silver.
Reaper. We got another box piece there.
What?
Yeah, you can.
Builds like a
yeah,
box.
Makes a box.
Okay.
Brightwing on the blue.
That's kind of cool.
Vanish Windrunner. We have a Zarya Ultimate.
Zarya. That's what's up.
Zarya Ultimate. A little Ultimate ready there, Zarya.
Graviton Surge is ready.
Roadhog.
Time to go. I'm just here for Roadhog. It's the only Blizzard property I've ever played.
Really?
You check it. Yeah, I've been checking to see if all of the boxes are hollow when we get them. We have not come across a hollow box yet.
So
Winston.
can I give a brief Winston thing?
Oh God.
There's a Winston voice line where he just says, "How embarrassing," and
Mhm.
I really like when people spam that when people do something
May. We have a BlizzCon. I think that is in the silver. BlizzCon in the silver there.
bad. Oh,
And Narius.
I'm gonna start doing that to you.
Diablo. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
when I'm breaking it. It's like, oh, embarrassing.
Okay. Lucio.
My
We got
main,
another
baby.
box piece.
The box pieces are very interesting.
Mephisto in the blue.
Very, very interesting on the box pieces.
There's a lot more box pieces than I was expecting, which is cool. But they're very easy to pop
We got
out.
another
so
rip
one of
card,
them-
I think. Yes.
Yeah.
It's a common one.
Ooh.
A green. Am I ripping it? Ripperoni.
I was like, I assume you got approval for the first one.
Come on.
No, he wants to rip the common ones himself.
Okay. Zarella. Ursa the Dreamer. And Ursa the Unleashed.
Ooh,
Ooh.
little lineage there. That's cool. I like that they come with a little sleeve.
Mm-hmm.
That's handy.
Cool. Yeah, both Ursas.
Do you want to go to lunch after this box? I can do the second one, or do you want?
That's fine. Yeah, we can do that. Do that. Because I'm going to have to relieve Tank as well.
Yeah.
Alright. Love to see that for you, Max. We have Tyrant Whisperwind there on the silver. Other Lightbringer, green. Genji, got another box piece. Got a Deathwing on the blue.
Genji's one of those characters when you tune a game of Overwatch. If you have a Genji on your team, there is either this will be the best or worst experience of my life, and there is no in between. There is no such thing as a good, like mediocre Genji.
We
They're
got
either
the Radical
terrible-
Psycho Machine Racing, little RPM baby,
That's cool.
old school. Lucio on the ultimate.
Yo, let's break it down.
Valeria Windrunner on the green. Got a couple packs here as the first box. We have another patch. We do the War Banner of Zerg. From the Baneling there. Got another patch, the War Banners. And we have an Arachnamond on the Spectral.
Your mom lets you have 2 Spectral?
I guess. Ash, Thrall, Cho'Gall on the silver there. Leah. Another box piece. We have a Thrall on the blue. Couple packs, and then Anthony is going to take over.
There's sketches in this? Oh,
There
Max
are
is buying
sketches
it.
in this.
That was a dumb question.
There are sketches in it. Echo.
That is
Ooh,
awesome.
That's a sick
An
Zenya.
emotes
Oh,
lenticular?
that's sick.
Zen? Oh my god, that's so cool.
That's so sick.
That's so cool.
Incredible.
That's sick.
Oh my god.
That's fun.
That's sick.
That is amazing. I love that.
All right, last one.
I love that.
Well, more RPM racing there, baby. Let's go. Art of Samwise. Mograine. All right, so that is like an art card. That's cool. Another green. All right.
What color does this one fall under?
Look at that pack again, Josh.
What do you mean? Top load the art?
The art card?
Are you talking about the art card? Like this one? This one right
Remember our
here?
Discord convo.
Buddy. Max, I love you. My memory is shot, buddy. When you look at the pack. It's on the pack. What are you talking
What
about?
pack?
On the pack. What are you talking about here? Collect the Art of Samwise cards. Look for parallel.
Oh.
Yeah.
So okay, so that's good.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Lunchtime.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Sounds good. Godspeed, sir. All right. National breaks anywhere should be looking. They start at 3:30 today on Two Bros, Ryan. And then they will be all day Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah, and they're on all the other channels.
Yes, that's
except,
not this one.
Except Nerd Out.
Yes.
They all start at 4 today.
Two Bros, Doc Hard World, Live Lounge. On all of them. Sigma. We have Orphea common, another box piece in our first pack. We have blue Farah. The blue Farah there. Pretty cool. Black Hand and Tychus Finley. Is there like autos in this? Like you get like voice actor autos in this? That'd be pretty cool. Another box piece, 2 for 2 on box pieces with a Malthael from Diablo. You can get autos? That's awesome. Murky. Thank you, Baptiste. We have Baptiste on the ultimate ready. Pretty cool. A green Manaroth. Manx and Tyrant Whisperwind. I mean, yeah, it makes sense that they're hard to hit, but it is cool that they're like an option. Oh, baby. Got the this is a common one, right? Common rip? Common rip card? You just dropped our hand sanitizer. Oh. We have Stegodon, Yogg Saron, Master of Fate, and a Strong Man on the barrel. You do have to be a pretty strong man to do that, last I checked. Are we keeping these?
He was?
Okay.
So,
Alright, we'll continue. We have Asmodan from Diablo. We have Chen Storm Stout On the silver, nice. Chen Storm Stout from Warcraft. Cassia on the green from Heroes of the Storm. Medivh. Tyran Whisperwind, that is on the silver with a green Thrall. I can definitely do that, JOH. I can definitely do that. Let me know what the product is and I can market break live for you. Whisperwind silver, awesome, nice. Let's go. Another box piece. We got a blue Nemsy Necrofizzle. By the way, JOH, happy birthday. Happy birthday, JOH. We have Brigitte. Ultimate Ready Brigitte. The green Varian Rin. Box piece Arcturus Mensk on the blue. We have a patch here, the War Banners, the Zerg War Banners again. I think we got this patch in the last box. This is the Lurker. That's the Lurker patch here. There we go. This is Kael'thas Sunstrider on the Legendary. Legendary. Seems good. Yeah, Legendary is usually a good name for something. We have another Rip card. That's a nuke. There's a green Garrosh Hellscream. Legendary Rip. Oh my god. How did I do this? Okay. We have Mr. Smite. We have Cookie the Cook. And we have Annoyo Module. Annoyo Module. Cookie the Cook, Mr. Smite, and Annoyo Module.
That's pretty cool.
Not too bad. Another patch here, we have the War Banners Protoss. The Protoss War Banners from StarCraft. My first legendary with nice. Let's go. We have Ner'zhul and Andariel. There's Winston on the silver. Winston in the silver. Drop the link just so we have a chance. Yeah. I got you. Green Mercy. I'll do that right when I'm done with this. No problem, man. Why? Who's in there? Is there some like player or something you're looking for? We have the Lost Vikings. That's on the silver. We have a green Vol'jin Dark Spear. Box piece. We have a blue Zoltan Kul from Diablo. Box piece Tracer on the blue. Tracer here. 22 Tops Update is probably my favorite stuff from there. Nice. What is this? Patch Notes? Tides of Darkness. This is awesome. It's like a magazine? What? Warcraft
like
2,
Warcraft
December
2.
9th, 95. Yeah.
Looks like the old ads for them.
That's awesome. That's super cool. That's super cool. Good hit. All right, we'll take a good hit.
That's cool. Oh yeah, it looks like an old magazine cover. This is
It
cool.
does. We have a Winston emotes. Winston on the emotes. There we go. The roar with a green adept. Got the BlizzCon. Will Murray, Josh Talman, and Manuel Dissinger. Dishinger. The BlizzCon card there. The Green Lady Vash. Here's our last pack for our man Max. Thank you so much for the order, Max. Really appreciate it. We have another BlizzCon. Wei Wong. Nice. Another BlizzCon card. Another OMG. Legendary. Is it a legendary? This is a legendary? Yeah, actually you're right. It is like the gold trim, yeah. Yeah. No, you're not wrong. That is gold on the words. That's insane. Seems like we're killing it here. We have a rock and roll racing green to close us out. Seems like a pretty insane couple boxes for Max, so that's awesome. Thank you so much for the order. 3 legendaries in 1 box. Yeah, right? Yeah.
Pretty crazy.
That's insane. That's insane. Congrats, Max. Thank you for the order. Appreciate it. 101 and 120. Nice. Yeah, that's done. That makes sense. Makes sense. Thank you so much, Max. Appreciate it.